In today's video, I'm going to teach you Guide with Google Docs. By the end, you'll know exactly how to duplicate a Google Docs file so you can create a clean copy without affecting your original. This is perfect for making templates, versioning your work, or sharing a duplicate with someone while keeping your main document untouched. Start by opening the Google Docs file you want to duplicate. Make sure you're looking at the correct document and that it's the version you actually want to copy. If you're still making changes, take a moment to finish up. Google Docs saves automatically, so once you're done editing, your latest updates will be included in the copy. Giving the document a quick scan now can save you from duplicating an outdated draft. With your document open and finalized, look to the top left corner of the window and click File. This opens a menu with a list of actions you can take on your document. From there, choose Make a Copy. This is the built-in way to duplicate a Google Doc, and it's the most reliable method to preserve formatting, images, and comments. After you select Make a Copy, a small window will pop up. Here, you'll see a suggested name for your new file, usually something like Copy of, followed by your original title. This is a great time to rename it to something clear and specific, like adding the date or the word template, so you can find it later. In that same window, you can choose where the new file will live in your drive. If you organize your work into folders, pick the right one now so everything stays tidy. You may also see options to copy comments or suggested edits. Choose what fits your needs. When everything looks good, click Make a Copy in that window to confirm. Google Docs will open the new file in a separate tab. You're now looking at your duplicate. The title at the top will reflect whatever name you chose, and your original document remains unchanged in its own tab. From here, you can start editing the copy freely, share it with teammates, or keep it as a backup. A quick way to verify you're in the duplicate is to check the document title and the folder path in the title bar. That's it. You've successfully created a duplicate of your file in Google Docs. This simple workflow helps you work faster, stay organized, and protect your original work while experimenting or collaborating. Thanks for watching, and feel free to replay any part if you want to follow along step